Every home tells a story, but this one almost had a different ending. 51 Faxon Street in Braintree, a beautiful 1925 colonial with 5 bedrooms, a heated saltwater pool, and a backyard built for making memories. It sat on the market for months with another brokerage, and it didn't sell. The sellers came to us with one question: what would you do differently? Our answer? Everything. We fixed the data, we rebuilt the marketing, and we priced it to create competition, not to chase a number. The result? Multiple offers, a bidding war, and a final sale price of $1,205,000. That's $106,000 over asking. Same house, different strategy, different outcome. If your home didn't sell or you're thinking about making a move, call ACB Realty at 781-356-2552, because the right strategy changes everything.